How to set up two-step verification on Shopify store. So first of all, you need to tap on account on the top right corner. Then you need to head over to the manage account section over the logout, and then you will be taken to this page right here where you need to simply go for security on the top left corner, and then you need to scroll down until you see this two-step verification. Then you need to tap on turn on two-step, and you need to choose your account and tap on re-authenticate. After that, this will take you to this page right here where you have to simply log in with your Google account. And the next step is you have to set up any authenticator application that you are using. Most of the people use Google Authenticator, so you just need to scan the QR code and enter the confirmation code right in this box, and then tap on turn on button. Once you do so, let's say you have changed your mind and you want to turn off the two-step authenticator, so you can simply come back to the security tab and you will see the two-step authentication which will be saying on. So you just have to turn this off by entering the verification code. So that was the process of how you can set up two-factor authentication on Shopify store.